Brian Bowersock here, the Auto Man. Today we're talking about catalytic converter thefts. We've all seen it in the news. Everybody's talking about it. It happens a lot. And to be honest with you, what I have noticed is the people that steal these are pretty quick at it on most vehicles that they take them from. So there's a couple things you can do to prevent this, and that's what we're talking about today. If you have one of these vehicles, especially like a Toyota Prius, that is known for having the catalyst stolen off of it, they do make items called cat shields that can be installed, and if installed properly on the vehicle, these people stealing this catalyst will pass right by your vehicle. It's too much work, it's too hard. There's easier targets elsewhere they would go for sure. So if you have a Prius, you may want to consider that. Fleet vehicles, we're seeing a lot of, they're parked off over the weekends, catalysts get stolen from, there's things called cat cables that can be put on them. We install those also at the West Automotive Group. So if you're concerned about your catalyst being stolen, you may want to reach out to us. Also, there's specific laws and rules about the replacement of your catalyst, so make sure if you do have a catalyst stolen, a factory approved or Air Resources Board approved catalyst is installed. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Auto Man Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.